I'm
Yeah,
recording right now. Okay.
yeah, yeah. Here, everyone, please listen carefully. If any doubts, please ask me because it's a very important. Okay, na. JDBC means Java Database Connectivity. Connectivity. Here, JDBC contains totally 4 drivers. Type 1, Type 1. Next one is Type 2, Type 3, Type 4 driver. Okay, the type 1 driver, another name is A. The type 1 driver, thank you. The type 1 driver, another name is A. JDBC, ODBC, bridge driver. Bridge driver. The type 2 driver, another name is A. Negative API driver. The type 3 driver, another name is A. Net protocol driver. The type 4 driver, another name is A. SIM driver. Real time using which driver? Anybody? GPS or Praveen or Narsin or Venkat Suresh. Real time using which driver?
Type 1 driver.
Type?
Yeah, thin.
Type 1.
Thin. Yeah, thin driver.
Yeah.
Okay. Then I will show it. Already that material forward to Vishal mail. Please ask to that JDBC drivers, advanced Java. Then what is the purpose of the type 1 driver? Here see that. It is a type 1 driver. See that if in case in our application, in our project using type 1 driver, every JDBC program, it will be converted into a ODBC driver. The JDBC driver, it will be converted into a ODBC driver. The ODBC driver, it will be connected to a database. See that. Right now I am writing to Java program. The Java program, the type 1 driver, every Java application, it will be connected to a ODBC driver. The ODBC driver, it will be connected to a database. It is a time taken process. Why means if every Java program, it will connected to a ODBC, the ODBC it will connected to a database. It is a time taken process. That is the reason real time not using type 1 driver. See that. What is the disadvantage means? The JDBC data convert into a ODBC. That is the main drawback. We can write a single line in the JDBC program. That single line compulsory it will convert into a ODBC driver. The ODBC driver it will convert into a database. Okay now. Then go for type. Tell me, Vishal.
Yeah, I think so. You have explained this thing yesterday or something like that.
Yeah, because some people are type 1, because real time using type 4 driver.
Okay. Because
Yeah,
you
yeah.
explained this thing. Yeah.
Yeah. Because what is the main purpose means if type 1 driver, see that everyone, type 1 driver and type 2 driver is also involving to another database and type 3 driver is also involving to server side. Means if every Java application, if every JDBC program, it will convert into a server side, the server it will be connected to a database. It is also indirectly it will connected to a database. Come to type 4 driver. See that the JDBC calls directly it will be converted into a database. The type 4 driver, the Java application directly it will be converted to a database. Right now real time totally JDBC consists of totally 4 drivers. Type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4 driver. Okay. The type 1 driver another name is a JDBC ODBC bridge driver. The type 2 driver another name is a native API driver, and type 3 driver another name is a NUT protocol driver. Type 4 driver another name is a thin driver. It's a clear to everyone?
Yes.
Machine? Okay now. And using type 1 driver, the type 1 driver using type 1 driver to connect it to MySQL database. And okay now. Using type 1 driver we can connect it to MySQL database, Oracle database, Mongo database, file system, any database to connect it to using type 1 driver. And also we can connect any database using any driver mandatory compulsory need for driver name and connection properties. You can connect any database using any driver. Compulsory need for driver name and connection properties. Okay now. Then right now I am using type 1 driver. Then driver name. What is the driver name of type 1 driver MySQL is sun dot jdbc dot odbc dot. Everyone make it. Please write this syntax. Otherwise, after you can get the video, each and everyone you can make it out. ODBC driver. Next to connection properties. The connection contains URL, username and password. URL, username and password. The URL is jdbc colon mysql -dsn. Username and password. Okay now. Next I am using Oracle database. Driver name is sun dot jdbc dot odbc dot jdbc odbc driver. Next to connection. URL, username and password. Like a jdbc colon, URL, username. Here username, URL, username, password. URL means like a jdbc colon Oracle DSL. Next to type 2 driver. Using type 2 driver to connect it to only Oracle. Driver name is Oracle dot jdbc dot driver dot Oracle driver. Next one is connection. Connection contains URL, username and password. URL, username and password. URL is jdbc colon Oracle colon OCI 8. What is the OCI 8 means? The type 2 driver, it will support only Oracle call interface 8th version. But real time using Oracle 10G. Don't use type 2 driver. And the type 2 driver, it will be connected to only Oracle 8th version. It will not possible to real time using. And the type 3 driver real time not using because it is a server side driver, because it will not using. Then directly go for type 4 driver. Real time using type 4 driver. Then right now I will take MySQL. MySQL is also contains driver name, com dot mysql dot jdbc dot driver and connection URL username and password. URL username password, like a URL is please listen, jdbc colon mysql colon slash localhost colon port number slash database name. What is your port name, Narshin? When you are installing MySQL, you can give one port address. What is the port number?
0088.
3306. Yes or no, GPS?
Yeah, 3306.
3306. Yes. Next is username and password. What is in our MySQL username and password? Root and root. Yes or no?
Yeah, road
Okay.
and road, ROLE.
Yes. Oracle driver name. What is the driver name means? Oracle dot jdbc dot driver dot Oracle. K sensitive because Oracle driver O capital letter, D capital letter, each and everyone. Connection contains URL, username and password. URL means URL, username and password. Like my URL is inbuilt, like a jdbc colon Oracle colon bin colon @ of localhost colon 1521 colon XC. Username colon password. What is in our Oracle username and password, Narshin?
System.
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 Yes or no? Then come to my point.
Yes.
JDBC steps. JDBC steps. My point is we can develop any JDBC programs. Any JDBC program, total 5 steps. What are there means? First step, load the driver. Very important, please listen. Load the driver. Second point is connection establish. Step 3 is a write SQL query. Next step 4 is a create a statements. Fifth one is a connection close. Okay now. Connection close. Load the driver. Connection establish. Write a SQL query. Create a statements and connection close. It's okay, Narshin. Then after
Yeah.
JDBC syntax program. syntax program. Then first class name, public, try block, yeah. Step 1. Everyone please listen carefully. What is the step 1 in JDBC? Anybody?
Load the driver.
Load the driver. Okay. Then syntax. Syntax. Class dot one name.
Ram, do you want us to write down also that syntax program, that JDBC syntax program that you are writing the steps? Do you want us to write down those things also?
Yes, sir. Then after syntax is over, then after I will go to programs also nothing, because once you can know syntax steps, after easy to write any JDBC program.
No, I'm asking that do you want us to write the note of your lecture that you are showing us, that class name, public, those things? Do you want us to write down, like take a note?
Yeah, okay. Then here driver name. Already I am given to driver name and Arsen. Each driver like a driver name.
Yeah, I have written down those, but I'm
See
asking
that
that.
Oracle driver name. Oracle driver name.
Yeah.
MySQL
Yeah.
driver name. Type 2 driver Oracle driver name. And also type 1 driver MySQL driver name and type 1 driver Oracle driver name. Syntax.
Yeah, I think your screen is coming afterwards, like when you are talking, your screen is not showing like that. Yeah, but I'm asking you that do you want us to write down the syntax also?
Yeah, syntax also I will write now on my screen. Each and every one step.
Okay.
Okay. Then after com dot mysql dot jdbc dot which driver this one? Which driver and which database this one? Anybody? Suresh? Sumit?
Type 4.
MySQL, right?
Type 4 driver with the MySQL, yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes. Next. Class dot, then I will write one more syntax. Class dot one name Oracle dot JDBC dot driver dot Oracle driver. This one
This is Oracle.
type 4 driver with Oracle.
Yeah, Oracle. Yeah.
Type 4 driver with Oracle. Oracle dot JDBC dot driver name. Okay now. Then after connection property. Step 2. What is the step 2 in JDBC? What is the step 2? What is the
Connection.
step 2?
Connection.
Connection establish.
Yeah.
Okay now. Establish. Syntax. Connection. Address. Means here what is the meaning of address? Means you can give any variable. Okay now. Driver manager. M is a capital letter dot get connection. After I will be discussing what is the connection, what is the driver manager, each and everyone I will discussing later. get the connection, URL, username and password. URL, username and password. Example, connection con is equal driver manager dot get connection, URL, username and password. In case JDBC colon MySQL colon slash, what is your port address? 3306, yes or no? Slash
Yep.
database name, then my username root and password is also root. Otherwise, another example, connection con is equal to, right now I want a connection to Oracle, then no problem, dot like a JDBC colon Oracle colon in colon at the rate of localhost colon 1521 colon XC. My Oracle username is a system and password is also system. Then step 2 is the over. Step 3. What is the step 3, Narsin?
Write SQL query.
Query, yes. Write SQL query. String S1. In case I am performing insert into ABC values. Like here, Naresh ABC and triple B at the rate of gmail.com. It is, and one more, string S2 is equal insert into G values. Are you seeing my screen, everyone?
Yes.
Yes or no? It is a, what is the static query and what is the dynamical query? The two queries. And this query is how many times it will be run? Only one time or multiple times? This query is executed only one query, one time only. That is a static query. And this query is executed multiple times because we can give any values. This queries it will be supported because it is a dynamical query. For example, like I come to Facebook, Facebook registration page, only one person it will be registration or multiple person it will be registered. That's it.
Multiple.
Multiple. It is a dynamical query or static query?
Dynamic.
Dynamic query. That is the difference. If any application, multiple users, it will be perform multiple users registration that form, multiple users insert the data that application using nothing but a dynamical query. It will be supported different input data. But to come to static query, we can open any application. Compulsory to mention username is an array and password is ABC and Gmail is equal to 888. It is a constant. Okay, now that's a static query and a dynamical query. Next, step 4. What is the step 4? Nursing. Create a statement.
Yeah, create a statement.
First one. If the query is a If the query is a static query, the query is a if the query is a static query using statement interface, syntax, statement address 1 is equal to your address dot. Right now, one more. Here address content, what is the properties? URL, username and password. The total properties are available address or not? Archin,
Yeah.
here URL, username and password, the total data is available, can't. Right now here what is the address? Address is nothing but a connection properties. Right now the address value to given into a statement interface. Yes or no? Example, statement st is equal to con dot create statement. Okay, Narsin.
Yeah.
Your con is nothing but a step 2 connection properties or not? The
Yeah.
connection
Yeah.
properties to provide into your tell me.
Yeah. So do you really want us to write down everything that what you are writing?
Yeah, each and everyone I am writing here.
Then I think you write so fast, so it's really hard to listening and writing everything like with you.
Ram,
Yeah,
what
yeah,
you do,
okay.
Ram, what you do that just you copy paste that material in a notepad, right? Whenever you complete entire your writing, and just send it to me on a mail. I will forward it to everyone.
Yeah, okay, okay. Right
Yeah,
now, are you
that will
seeing
be
my
good.
screen
That
on?
will be. Yeah, I can see your screen, but it's really hard. You're writing on a computer and it's very fast, I think. And I'm writing because I need to look at the screen and then I need to
Yeah, yeah,
write and
okay, okay.
listen.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
it's
okay.
really
Please,
hard.
please
So,
look at the screen. After this program, I will forward to Vishal mail address. No problem.
okay, okay, that will be good. Perfect. Thank you.
Next one is B. If the query is a if the query is a dynamic query using prepared statement interface. Okay, now syntax prepared statement address 2 is equal to address dot prepare, not a prepare statement, prepare statement query address. Example, prepared statement ps is equal to can dot prepare statement. Query address means like a S2. My query address means S2. My query name, then I will pass to prepared statement. That's enough. Last one is a C. If the query is a PLSQL query using callable statement interface. Real time not using this one, leave it. Next step 4. Step 5, sorry. What is the step 5, Narsin? Connection close.
Yep.
Syntax address dot close. Example, then each and everyone is over. Next note point is Already I am discussing to jar file or not. Jar file, var file, er file and rad file operations.
No, I don't think.
Jaru, varu,
No.
no?
No, I mean, we haven't, I don't remember jar, var, and you said yar, yar, which one?
You
I
don't know,
don't
okay,
think you.
yeah, okay, no problem. Here note is nothing but a first point is if you can perform any SQL query, if any SQL query without select command, without select query using execute update method. Next, if we can perform select query using execute query method. Okay now. Right now I am performing select query or what query I am performing here, Narsin? Narsin,
Yeah.
what query I am performing here?
Is it
In the database.
dynamic?
Yeah, which query I am performing in the step 3?
Dynamic?
Insert query, yes or no?
Yeah, insert.
Insert execute update or execute query method using which method we are using? If we can perform any SQL query operation. If you can perform any SQL query, if you can perform any SQL query without select command using execute update. If in case you can perform select query operation using execute query. Right now we are using execute update method or execute query method. That's it.
Actually, I'm not clear about the question. That right now, what do you mean?
That if you can perform any SQL query like insert to, create to, update to, delete to.
You're using update, right? Update.
Without select query using execute update. If in case you can perform select query operation using execute query method. Okay. Sumit Venkat Suresh, GPS Praveen. Hello.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, this is Praveen. I'm a little confused in the question, but I think that would be execute update because it's insert, it's not select.
Yeah, right now it's okay. Your doubt is clear, Praveen.
Yeah, I'm little confused what you are asking here.
Means here query means here we can perform insert query or not, Praveen.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
If in case you can perform delete operation, update, create any query using execute update method. If in case this location you can perform select command using execute query method. Depending upon query, we can using execute update method or execute query method.
Execute update.
Execute update method and execute query method. Then after I discussing an example, no problem.
Okay.
Next note point, last note point is if any application connected to MySQL database using MySQL connected dot jar file. Already I'm performing MySQL folder, yes or no? And that MySQL folder, one jar file is available. MySQL connector jar file is there. Then please check that one. After I will discuss in WhatsApp. If any application connected to Oracle database using OJDBC dot jar file. Okay, now please write this 4 concepts. It's a very, very important point. Then, what is the jar? What is the jar names? Java archive. Here names enterprise archive. Next, where names web archive. Rar means resource archive. Okay, now how to create jar, er, var and rar files. How to create jar, er, var and rar file. Syntax. What is the rar file purpose means? What is the rar file purpose? Anybody? Sumit? Sumit, what is the purpose of the jar file? The rar file? Compress the data or not? Compress the data or not, Sumit? Hello? Nasin, what is the purpose of the rar file? Compress the data or not?
Yeah, I think
Naveen? Yes, sir. Okay. File name, Vara, folder name dot jar, file name, Vara, folder name. It is a jar file creation. Then simple like a ER, that's enough. ER file creation. Then simple var file, var file. Okay, now then go for see that. Then I am taken one file like a Java, it is a large silvers projects. Then no.
Ram, Nursery is asking that when the class is going to get completed, she wants to know.
What Vishal?
Uh, the nursery is asking you whether it's like how long the class would be because she wants to like leave for now.
Right now today,
Yeah, today, how long it is going to get continued?
then up to half an hour it will be take. Then it will be take half an hour. Nursing.
Half an hour. Nursery it is fine for you?
No, actually, I think I need to leave.
Okay.
Remaining peoples, Suresh, Sumit, Praveen.
I'm sorry for that, but I have to leave.
Yeah, no,
Yeah,
that's all
okay,
right.
okay.
That's all right. Praveen, other people are comfortable, I mean to say, to extend for half an hour more, or should we continue by tomorrow?
I'm okay. This is Praveen. I'm okay. I'm free.
Hmm. Okay. What about other people? To meet Venkat, are you guys okay with half an hour more, or I mean to say, it's like, should we continue by tomorrow? Sumit, can you hear me? Yeah.
Because tomorrow morning is Sunday, Vishal. Then is it possible? Then I will take one more 2 hour session. Then tomorrow is Sunday because sorry, here sorry, Sunday morning.
Tomorrow is Sunday morning. So, yeah.
Yeah, Sunday morning. There some people are like, then please give me 1 hour, 1.5 hour session. Then I will
That would
take.
be your Monday, right? Today is your Sunday, right?
Here is Sunday morning. Then right now, in our time is IST time is Saturday night right now.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So,
we have Saturday night here.
yeah.
Yeah. Then Monday morning I will take like around 6 o'clock. Then I will take the class.
Okay, okay, fine. So we are going to have the classes for tomorrow, right? So Ram,
Yeah.
when should we? 7:30 in the morning. I need to say, your 6 o'clock. IST 6 o'clock.
Yeah,
Sharp
six
will be
o'clock.
there
Yeah,
at
yeah,
six
comfortable.
o'clock.
Com yeah, comfortable, no problem. Then I will take 2 hours class, no problem, Isha.
Okay, okay. So tomorrow we are going to have the classes from 7:30
Yeah,
to 8:30 or 9, right?
the nine.
Yeah.
Most of I will take 1.5 hour, 2 hours session.
Okay, okay, okay then. So tomorrow we're gonna to meet everyone. Please be in the class for tomorrow, as Ram told, right?
Just
So it's not in the morning, right? It's in the evening. US time, it's in the evening.
every day I will take evening, Praveen, but tomorrow morning I will take 6:30 time. Sorry, 7:30 in our time.
So
No,
tomorrow
7:30
US time,
evening, evening,
Eastern time,
evening.
7:30 a.m.
No, no, evening,
Morning,
evening.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Morning 7:30 a.m.
So
Okay,
like
US
you,
time.
Yeah, US time. US time is
Okay.
morning 7:30 a.m.
And no class in the evening, right?
Evening is also there.
Like this can't be
Depending upon
possible,
your
Ram.
opinion, not my opinion. If sir, tomorrow Sunday morning you can take sir, that's enough. Then leave it to evening. Then day after tomorrow, then I will start evening. That's enough, no problem.
No, listen, Ram. Tomorrow is like we are going to have the classes same as the regular classes, right? That is 7:30 p.m. That's an evening. That's an Eastern time.
Because why means Vishal? Because earlier morning, because it is a coding here. Then if you take like 24 hours, that remaining syntaxes, it will be not uh, possible to remember, Vishal. That is the reason morning I will take. If in case I will give that evening every again I will explain syntaxes. That is the reason, Vishal.
No, it's like two sessions you don't need to take in one day, right? Just you can take only
Okay,
one
morning.
session.
Okay, okay, morning I will take, no problem.
The morning is like morning. That would be your morning and our evening, right?
My evening, Sunday evening means in our Monday, Sunday morning.
Monday evening is like I think so. Sunday morning, 7:30 in the morning. I don't think so. Everyone would be clear up. I need to say it's like it is difficult
Yeah.
for us, Ram, to get up in the morning, 7:30 and to be in a class.
Yeah, because like a morning Sunday morning 7:30 in the IST time means here 6 o'clock in the sorry, EST time is morning Sunday morning 7:30, Vishal, and
Yeah,
IST time is evening 6 o'clock.
yeah, true, very true, Ram. But it's like that much. It's like early in the morning. We can't manage it.
Because 8:30 it is comfortable, 8:30 in our time.
Yeah, because it's like even it's like I do need to go. It's like somewhere, that too.
And
It's
also,
like
and Vishal, I will forward my GoToMeeting link, no problem. Everyone come to that GoToMeeting link, no problem.
okay. So will you record the session? And, it's like everyone is comfortable tomorrow morning, 7:30. Venkat, you are comfortable, right? Praveen, you are nursing. You are comfortable. 7:30 in the morning.
Tomorrow 7:30 morning?
Yeah,
Yeah.
you're comfortable, right? And
So will it be 2 hours or 1 hour?
Depending upon in your opinion, Vishal, not my opinion. In case I will take 3 hours, also no problem. But in our side, then I want confirmation.
okay, okay. So maybe we will
1 hour will
conduct
be
it
good
for
for
two
me.
hours, maximum
One
one and a
hour
half.
will be good for me.
Okay, no problem. Then I will take 1 hour, then no problem. 120 minutes, then no problem, I say.
Okay, thank you.
Okay,
And
okay.
everyone, it's comfortable to that time.
If someone is having the
Means,
problem, just let me know, or otherwise I will consider that everyone is comfortable,
So,
right?
yeah.
okay, okay, 7:30. So could not will be like 6:30. Okay, okay, I'll try. It's too early for
Yeah.
me. Yeah, it's not morning yet at that time.
Because every day,
I will get home, but it's not
no,
morning
no,
at that
nothing.
time.
Nothing. Every day I'm sleeping night 1 o'clock, but earlier morning 5 o'clock I will wake up daily. Every day.
Yeah.
Nursing, you make
Okay,
it up
I'll
for
try.
one
Every day,
day.
every day, then I'll take 1 o'clock night to 2 o'clock. But morning, earlier morning, 5 o'clock, I will wake up 5 to, then up to, then I'm not sleeping.
You need more
Ram
sleep.
is hardworking guy, nursing. You need to also work hard.
Is it comfortable,
You should
Sumit?
have more sleep
Yeah,
from.
Sumit?
comfortable.
Okay.
Ravi?
All of
Yes.
I mean to say, nursing, please try and come to 7:30 in the morning,
And
right? Just that
please,
is the
then
for the
earlier
one day
morning.
Yeah, yeah,
babies.
I'll try. I'll try. I'll try.
Okay. Then right now I will forward one GoToMeeting link to Vishal. The Vishal forward to one GoToMeeting link. Everyone sharp 6 o'clock means 7:30 in our time. Then I will start the session. Everyone please keep mind.
Okay,
Okay, na
I,
Suresh?
I will start it, Ram, and if at all, it's like because I will be till 1 hour. It's like in this station, it's like one and a
Yeah,
half
1 hour.
hour,
Yeah,
maximum
yeah,
one
yeah,
hour, right?
yeah.
So maybe
Yeah,
we
sir.
can finish it up by 1 hour, right? Then
Yeah,
I will initiate
yeah.
this session.
Yeah, Sunday, every day, because every person is enjoyed to that day. Sunday, no problem. One day I will take no problem.
So I mean to say, should we consider it for 1 hour, right?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So I will initiate this meeting by 7:30 in the morning, right?
Right now, if you want any GoToMeeting my link, you are open the GoToMeeting link, Vishal.
No, 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 no. I don't want. I will use the same link, but it will be
Okay.
for 1 hour, right? For tomorrow,
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Okay, sir. And
7:30
everyone,
sharp, right, Ram? Because it's
yeah,
like
yeah,
after
sharp. And
8:30,
also,
8:45, I can't wait, right? So it's like I will.
yeah, no.
So
Yeah,
that
yeah.
is like
Right
to
now,
make
this,
sure that
this,
it will be
yeah,
for
this,
one
yeah,
hour or 1 hour
yeah,
15 minutes, not more than that, right?
okay. Right now, this file is forward to in our mail address. This program it will be forward to everyone, Vishal, because it is important to everyone.
Yes, sure, sure. I will forward it up, right?
Okay, na? Then
Okay.
and please, GPS Praveen, Sumit, and Venkat Suresh. How many people are there in our surrounding? Please inform to remaining peoples also. Right now, I will give syntaxes. Once I will give the database connections, how to give the database connections is the over. JDBC connections is the over. Okay, na? Everyone keep me in your mind. Please inform to other peoples also. Then right now this program will forward to Vishal. The Vishal forward to everyone. Please, everyone inform to this program because without JDBC connections, the remaining syllabus what we are learning, that remaining coding is also waste.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now how many peoples are there? Please inform to other peoples also. Sharp 6 o'clock I will start. Sharp 6 o'clock to 1 hour, 1.5 hour time. Means 6 o'clock it is nothing but sorry. In our time is 7:30. And Vishal, please inform to remaining peoples also. Then how many peoples are there in our this session? The remaining Amin Chaudhary and remaining peoples also inform to that information, Vishal.
Yeah, yeah. It's quite difficult. That way, like other people would come because they would check the mail at 7:30 in the morning, right? But
Yeah, yeah, no.
we can have these people in the session by tomorrow morning, right?
Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay.
Okay.
Okay,
And we
Vishal.
shall send, if you can send yesterday's video, please. So I can
Yeah, sure, sure, sure.
prepare the installations.
Okay, okay. So do you want it today itself, or it's like tomorrow? If I will make it, mail it up, will be okay for you.
It will be okay tomorrow. I mean, if you can send it today, I'll sit in the, like before
Because that
sleeping, I'll
video
sit.
is heavy, it won't go in a mail, right? Because I need to make some share provision. Because if it is more than 1 hour session, right, the video turns out to be heavy.
Okay,
So
so tomorrow morning, if you can share that with me, tomorrow morning will be fine.
okay, 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 okay. Yeah. Okay, then we are ending the session for now. We'll see
And
you
one more.
tomorrow early
Yeah.
morning, 7:30
No, no. Vishal,
Eastern
Vishal.
time, right?
Vishal, yeah, Vishal. Vishal.
Mm-hmm.
One more last information to everyone. Tomorrow attend the class. Before attending the class, please write the steps. So what are the steps in that 5 steps in the syntaxes? Please write that one, like one book, because I am asking some doubts. Like what is the step one, step two, what is the each and everyone I will ask to. Please remember. Okay, now please this coding is write to one book. Then we can make it fast. Like after then. Okay,
Okay,
na, Vishal.
okay, then. Okay,
Okay,
Okay.
thank you, Vishal. Tomorrow 6 o'clock sharp, I will start the class. Otherwise, I will call you, Vishal. No problem.
okay, okay, okay. Then. Yeah,
Thank
yeah,
you.
done.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Yeah, bye.
Thank you.